I need a dink.
I need a dink. Juno, you're so small. That's the problem. Move on, guy! Juno, you can't just throw your stuff away. Okay, definitely some stuck thing. I might have to... You know what this is telling me? This is telling me that... Oh. Okay, I might have to... Okay, there are some conflicts with uppies, I see. And maybe I need to put a timer on to be like, if it's been this long, just teleport. Yes, Martina, you can. Thank you, Martina. Alright, in the meantime. Oh no, I'm still gonna stay. Fucking seeing the hat stack move is very good. Bye, Martina. Do. Yeah, I definitely need to put a timer on and then see if I can make it work better with uppies. In the meantime, I will go get some food. And then when we come back, it's gonna be Servina time. In the meantime, boop. And... Ow. If you don't know, if you coarsely ground 40 grams of coffee beans and put half a liter of water over it and let it sit for 16 hours and then filter it out, you get cold brew coffee. And because you never use hot water to extract the caffeine, it has like 80% more caffeine in it. And then you just have like a little sip of it and you fly to the moon. We're not gonna pick dupes, so we're not gonna get another Dragonite. Ooh, Graveler! Laz, I don't know about you, but I think Graveler's hot. I think Graveler's sexy. I think Graveler's nasty. I think Graveler's nasty like that. I'm gonna make you a Graveler. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. 4 hands. This is the plot line. Come on, you gotta give me that one. You gotta give me that one. Come on, I said plot line. Come on. Come on, that's good. Thank you. Thank you. Good joke. Yo, this looks at myself in the mirror. I look like an 18th century vampire pawns. Good. Alright. Yeah, Artie, return when you're 21, then we can talk about nipple play. Listen, you can always go outside and show. It's fine. Long live the king. Whoop. And now my turn. Yep. Whee. I love it when the camera doesn't follow along. Hup. I love ragdolling. Hup. Oh my god, is that a penny down there? Whoop. Mr. President, duck! Thing.
Yay, cherry!
Oh, wanna power wash later, Lowy? Yes, we're gonna need it.
Thank you for that quote.
What?
That's not bad.
No, listen, it's not bad. It's amazing. Even says Pilky at the chest.
I think this is my favorite. It's like vibrant, but it's not like not too much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very good.
What the fuck did I tab into? Charity. Hi, Max.
Yeah, come over here. See what happens. Idiot. God, I love the spider wire. I just realized it's very good. Stop it. No gun. Yeah.